Hey guys, what's up? We're here at the new addition to the Tuners family, the 1990 Volvo 240DL. It is a naturally aspirated automatic transmission. It's been sitting for 15 years, and right now it doesn't run. We got it from the previous owner with a bad starter, and we replaced the starter, put new spark plugs in, and changed the oil. This is the B230F engine, and I've been turning it over here. I also got a new coil pack on there. We have no spark, so I got my multimeter hooked up to the positive and negative terminals of the new coil. I just haven't removed the old one from the bracket. And I got my multimeter laying on the windshield, and when I'm cranking it in there, I got nothing. I'm actually showing a draw, so we have no spark going to the coil. If anybody has any suggestions, please feel free to leave a comment or a link to a video that might help me. I guess I'll give you guys a little look at the rest of the car. It's a little messy from all my tools, but the interior is in pretty good shape. It's got about, what, 198,000, 745, 200,000 miles. Tell you what, this interior ain't too bad. The whole car in general is generally rust free. We got the original Volvo mats. Focus on that. Every Volvo I've ever bought so far has had golf tees in it, and this is my fourth one, so I don't know if Volvo's putting those in there or what the deal is. But we got no rust down in the jams there. I mean, there's a little surface rust, but I'm gonna open these doors up. Power locks, power windows, and down in here where we want to look for rust, we're not seeing it. We got some paint chips and general wear, but it's pretty solid. I have all the pieces of trim and everything that's missing from it in the car. Yeah, there she is. We'll put up another video when we get it running.